Gusto ko lang pong banggitin na yung pinaka-background po ng ICD or Informal City Dialogue, yan po ay isa sa mga activities that are part of the centennial celebration of Rockefeller Foundation. Yung Rockefeller Foundation is celebrating its 100 years at ang pinaka-theme po ng kanilang centennial celebration is innovation for the next 100 years, no? Yung Informal City Dialogues po ay nabanggit ko na kanina, manage siya ng Forum for the Future, and his FFF is represented here today by Jacob Parker, nandun po sa dulo. At ito ay ang ICD ay managed by this agency in partnership with other organizations in 6 cities, no, in developing countries. Nabanggit na earlier ni Dean Tony na meron ding ganitong pag-uusap sa Nairobi, Kenya, sa Lima, Peru, sa Accra, Ghana, sa Chennai, India, Bangkok, Thailand, at dito sa Pilipinas, sa Metro Manila, no? Yung ICD is a global multi-stakeholder project tungkol po sa pag-uusap about the future of the city at yung role ng iba't ibang sektor sa paghubog ng pag-unlad ng isang syudad, no? So kanina, nabanggit na rin ni Dean Tony kanina na ito ay involves a diverse group of citizens. Binanggit na ni Dean Tony, ni Father Jet, no, yung term na inclusivity. No, so the ICD dialogues actually represent stakeholders from various sectors, kasama na doon yung public, private sector, civic, industry, yung mga CSOs, including the vulnerable groups, kasama na doon yung persons with a disability, yung women and the youth sector, including the senior citizens, no? And this diverse group, ang pag-uusapan nila ay scenarios of what life in their city could be like in 2040, no? Malayong pananaw, no? So yung ICD po, bale, we have 3 major na activities. Yung una, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon, which is the inclusive futures mapping. Inumpisa na po natin yung ICD dialogues, no? Nung pumunta po kami sa inyong mga komunidad, and yung pangalawang workshop po ay gagawin sometime in April, and ang gagawin po doon is titingnan na kung paano, anong scenarios at ano yung pwedeng i-propose na innovation, no, na pwedeng that will help the city achieve a more inclusive and resilient future, no. Pangatlong activity, major activity po, ay yung tinatawag naming Centennial Challenge Grants, no. Pagpipilian po kung ano yung innovation na pwedeng ilahok sa isang innovation challenge grant na where yung ibang cities po na kalahok dito ay magbibigay po ng proposal kung ano yung pong innovation na pwedeng pondohan ng Rockefeller, no? Ng Rockefeller for this innovation. The Innovation Challenge Grant is a 1 million grant, $1 million po, but portions of this, no, can help fund yung innovation na mapipili for each city. I think you will learn more about what the ICD is all about sa pamamagitan po ng video tungkol sa informal city dialogues.